party, hot party.
Hey, what's up guys? So today we're working on the D21 and we are changing our tension rod bushings. I'm going to show you something. My truck's been shaking violently when I've been driving, and come to find out, I don't know if you can see these tension rod bushings right here are completely destroyed. As you can see, cracked. This side's gone. So we are going to replace them with the Moog brand tension rod bushings. All right guys, so this is what's inside the Moog kit. You get the 4 nice bushings, and you get the nice hardware and stuff, so you can pretty much set this up as good as new. It's gonna be rock solid, and yeah, it shouldn't make any vibrations or noise after this. All right guys, so what you're gonna need to do this job, you're gonna need a 24mm deep socket. So I got this kit from Harbor Freight. Deep socket set is $20. I got my power wrench here, help get things off, some WD-40, and then you need a 14 for the small bolts, and then a 17. All right guys, so we got our 24mm bolt here. Then if you go further down, you got 2 17mm and then 2 14s at the top of these 2 bolts here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take this 24mm off first, and then we'll get the bolts off down there. Remember, this stuff's like Loctite, so it's gonna take some force to get it off. Okay. All right, should use a few more turns. Oops. All right guys, now she's off. All right guys, so I'm taking off these 2 bolts here, and I tried to put my 17 on there and it didn't fit, so I come to find out that these are 15s. So I got my little baby wrench here, and we're gonna go ahead and twist this off here. All right, that's out. Now we gotta do this other one here. All right guys, so this is the aftermath, and like I said, this thing's completely obliterated. Look at this. That's not what you want. And I've been driving like this for years, and I just found out these things are bad. Look at that. All right. Hey, the part is actually pretty good. It's in good shape. No rust or anything, just a little bit of dust, but damn, look at that. Cool. All right guys, so we're gonna put this thing together. All right guys, so when you're putting this on, you're gonna go plate, bushing, and you're gonna push this rod through the bushing. Then we're gonna frame this on the car. Then we're gonna get our top bushing and put that on. Then we're gonna get our top washer, put that on. Then we're gonna put our bolt on, and we're gonna bolt this up. All right guys, so we're gonna guide this through just like that. And you see I left the bar on the wheel well right there, just like that. And then we're gonna put our front part on. Just push it, and then you're gonna just keep pressing on it until it slides in. It has to slide through that silver pole type thingy, so it can get flush. It's gonna move a little bit, but you'll know when you get it in. All right, so now that's in, and we're gonna get our plate, put our plate on there. Then we're gonna just put our big bolt on there. Oh shoot, bro, somebody's barbecuing out here. I can smell it. Shit smells good. Smell like some damn ribs or some hot dogs or something. That's what I wish I was doing right now. Not working on busted suspension. Nah, I'm kidding. It's a good way to enjoy a Sunday, doing this. All right, guys, you see we got our bolt on there just enough. Now we're gonna move on down to the 17s or 15s. On this. Okay. Alright, that should be good. Shoot, arm stuck. That should be good. Alright, now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, got it. Okay, now we need to just tighten it up here. All right, guys, you see I got this bolt on. It's a pain in the ass because you can't see anything. You're just up here feeling this area with your hands. All right, guys, we're back at the front end and we're gonna tighten up this 24 completely and get it nice and snug. All right, that should do it. Only needed like a half a turn for that. All right, guys, this is what the finished product looks like. And you want to check after a few days and see if you need to tighten these down some more, because they're brand new bushings and they need to set in. So you want to make sure you do that and just triple check everything. Make sure all your bolts are tight. Make sure you don't need to do anything else. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So we will see you on the test ride. Hopefully this solved all my vibration problems, because that changed everything. And this is what I'm left with. So yeah. What do you think, Kitty? Successful day at the office or what? You think we should get a beer? No? Yeah? Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back at the house and the D21 drives amazing now. The new Moog suspension bushings made the hugest difference. Like, there's no vibration in the front, no vibration in my steering wheel anymore. The truck literally drives like a brand new truck. It's amazing. I'm mind blown. I recommend everybody change those bushings if you don't, or if you hadn't, if you don't know about them. Because I didn't know for years, and I was just driving my truck, changing every suspension part, thinking like, dang, man, I can't chase this problem. And all along, it was those freaking bushings. So I'm super stoked. Stay tuned for more. Have a good one, guys.